Hello, everyone, and welcome back to CSSBattle.dev. It is November 4th. I know I've been off for a while, but I'm back and I'm glad you're here with me. Took a few days off, had a little birthday party, had to get some business done, just some personal stuff. Don't worry about it. We're back. That's the important part. And we're back with a simple shape. I love it when it's easy and you can just jump right back into it. And I don't know, it just brings the flow back. It's beautiful. So we've got a white circle with a, what do you want to call it, a diamond shape in the center. Essentially, it's just a white circle with a square tilted off its axis about 45 degrees in the center of it. Decided to do a little bit different this time. You'll see as we go on, instead of making two separate elements here, two separate divs, I decided to go with one and then create what's called a pseudo element, which is like an element that can come before or after the element that you're messing around with. Essentially, it's like creating another element that's attached to the main element without actually creating a new element. I've said element about 20 times here, but hopefully you understand what I'm saying. It's something that's attached like a parent and its child. Um, so yeah, I used a little bit less characters by doing it that way. There is a little bit of essential grafting that you need to do with a pseudo element, and that starts with a content empty. I'm not sure why, but that's how you initiate a shape for a before or after pseudo element. Anyway, how have you been? I know today's a little bit of a short one, but like I said, it's nice to just get back into it, kind of dip my toes. I saw a couple for the last couple of days, and I'll be honest, I'm not too bummed that I skipped them. Even though I didn't do them, I did look. I think it's important that we get back to our regularly scheduled broadcast, as one might put it. If we're trying to make a habit of doing something, don't take it so personally where you drop something for a couple days and just drop it forever. You hear this a lot about diets, especially. If you're on a particular diet, maybe you're trying to lose some fat, maybe you're trying to gain some muscle, maybe you're just trying to eat healthier. The important thing to remember is if you fall off for a day or two or even a week, remember you can always get back on that horse. I'm sure you've heard this before. Doesn't matter how many times you fall as long as you get up again. Fall 99 times, get up 100. Fall 100, get up 101. That kind of thing. Essentially, I'm saying the same thing. I took off, 3 days? And it's important that I get back on it. It's something I enjoy doing. And if you're doing something on a regular basis that you enjoy, it's important that you get back to it when you feel ready. Actually, don't even wait for that readiness feeling. Just get back on it. Sometimes we fall off of habits and it's very discouraging to try to get back on it. And even if it's a habit that we like, it's hard to jump back into it. You hear this a lot with fellow programmers. If you you take like 3 days off, let's say we take a week vacation off of our regular programming schedule, it's like we just forget the last 3 years of training. But it only takes like a day, maybe 3 to get back on it. And oh yeah, I remember all of that stuff that I was taught, all of that stuff that I learned, all of these experiments. Anyway, glad you're here. It's great to be back. And I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.